Yes guys, welcome back to BlakeWrTv kitchen. I know it has been a while since I put up a video guys, so thank you guys for being here with me still. All my subscribers and viewers on YouTube. I just been busy dealing with some things, so yeah, whole part video gonna come in soon guys, so keep sticking around, support the channel. Appreciate all of you guys. Today guys, we're in the kitchen and we're doing some fresh vegetables. We're doing some pop choy, yeah. And pop choy, you know, so we have tomato, we have scallion, onion, and scotch bonnet pepper, the green one, and the red one, ripe one, and some tomatoes. And can't done without the time. We need the time for it. So yeah, stick with what we're doing. It's come up real nice and delicious, guys. Trust me. Healthy eating today, no meat, just strictly vegetable. So yeah, all my vegans and vegetarians people, this one is for you. Yes, right in the pot right here we have our pop choy already cut up. Some people have a lot of name for this thing here. Some people call it pop choy, bok choy. There's a whole bunch of names if you go on YouTube and Google this thing. It has a lot of different variety of names. So it depends on your culture and where you are from, geologically. That maybe the name may be different, but we all know it as pop choy. So here we are guys, some fresh pop choy already cut up. We have some scotch bonnet pepper right there, the green one right there, cut up on top right here. And like me said, this is no meat, just strictly vegetables. You understand? So stick around and see what's going on in BlakeWrTv kitchen. So here we are guys with some margarine. Put a little bit of margarine in here. Just like that. And we tip a little bit of water. Here we are, some water. Not a lot of water because this thing is gonna steam down and it's gonna provide its own water. So you don't have to put a lot of water in here. And if you put too much water, you may have some problem in the end when it start to steam and start to create more condensed water in the pot. So here we are. Next, we're gonna add the scallion. Go ahead and put your scallion in. And following that, we're gonna add tomatoes. Then we're gonna add our chopped scallion. There we go. And following that, we're gonna add our onions. I'm sorry guys, alright guys, so in here we have a little bit of black pepper, tropical season blend, and Mrs. Dash here. Just to give it some flavors, so let's go ahead and put that in. I'm gonna mix that in later on. Look at that color guys, looking nice. Smelling good too. Wow, it's gonna be delicious. Here guys, we're gonna go in and just stir it up a little bit. Get all that seasoning all mixed in. With the butter, onions, thyme, and that scotch bonnet pepper gonna give it that nice Caribbean flavor. Yeah, you know, we have to have our scotch bonnet pepper in here. Not too spicy, you know, not too hot. I don't like when my stuff's too hot, but you know, give it a little kick, but not too hot where you can't manage it. Look at that color guys. Smelling so good. Here we go. Go ahead and put a lid on it and make it steam down a little bit. I have a last minute request. Somebody said they would like some bacons. So here we have some Jimmy Dean bacons, and we're gonna go ahead and just make that separately. So that way everybody who want the natural vegetables, we don't know, bacons, they can have it, and those who want it with the bacon, they can have their bacon as well. So here we are guys with some bacon and some pepper, and we're gonna get this going in a little bit and show you guys what's going on. So here we go guys, we'll put a little bit of oil in the pot just to wet the bottom of the pot, just like this. You don't need a lot of oil because bacon normally produces its own oil, so just a little bit of oil like that. So guys, go ahead and put a little bit of black pepper on them, and a little bit of Mrs. Dash. Smelling so good. Yes guys, this is what we call delicious bok choy right here. Very good. Bacon and looking golden brown already. Yes guys, here we are. Bacon is done. Here we go. Guys, this is the moment of truth. I'm gonna make a plate right now, guys. Here we go, here we go. Nice, smelling good. Woo, deliciousness. Here we go. Here we are, guys. Here we are. Put some bacon on top. There we go. And it's ready. Bok Choy and bacons. Look at that. A delicious bowl of goodness. Look at it, guys. You ready to dig in? Let's eat, y'all. Let's eat. Blessed art thou, O Lord, who bringeth bread from the earth and fruit from the vines. Amen.
Don't know Fire Pang represent for Chef Blake, you know. BlakeWrTv, you don't know the program there. Check it out now. It's in the new thing around the road right now. BlakeWrTv, Chef Blake, check it out.
This is what Father was doing as high grade sound from St. Anne's. Shout out to BlakeWrTv, Chef Blake, kitchen, kaboom!
Yeah.
Hi, this is Claudia from Barbados. Hello, Chef Blake. I'm always watching you on your program, the way you prepare your food and you prepare your meal. And then it's done properly and I enjoy how you do it and I always follow. So just follow Chef Blake on BlakeWrTv and you'll get the best cooking food. Okay?
Hello, this is Shirley representing Chef Blake on BlakeWrTv Kitchen. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, invite a friend, tell a friend. Lovely food, lovely action, real thing, check it out.
Hi, this is Fernanda of Maryland, and I just wanted to send a shout out to BlakeWrTv Kitchen. Just wanted to tell Chef Blake that he's doing such a remarkable job and to keep up the great work that he's doing and keep on sending those beautiful, scrumptious, delicious recipes. Thank you.
Malika
representing Chef Blake, BlakeWrTv Kitchen. Baddest thing around YouTube right now. Go over, subscribe. The thing around road, kaboom.
You know what time it is. Your boy Blake's in the house teaching you how to cook like a Jamaican, like a pro cook. I mean, yard eat for your yard.